Hi, welcome back to Butterfly Cottage. Today I'm going to be making butterfly cottage pasties. A bit like Cornish pasties, but we can't call them that because we're using pork instead of beef. So here in this bowl I have 4 small onions, 2 turnips and 4 medium potatoes into nice small pieces, shapes, whatever. As you can see, just going to season them, mix it all together, taste, just to make sure that the seasoning is okay. So you can go with the salt, in the pepper, quite a bit of pepper, you like the peppery kick in them, and give it a mix. As you see, there's quite a lot there. We're going to be making 8, hopefully, using the Butterfly Cottage pastry that we did a video for already. Click on the link to get that video. Okay, so that's all combined, and I will just test a little bit. Love turnip. It needs a little bit more salt. Okay. Excuse fingers. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to roll out my pastry to make my discs for the pasty, and I'll come right back to you. So I've got the cases here for the Cornish pasties, Butterfly Cottage pasties, rolled out. I'm going to fill them. So the mix on the bottom. Don't be shy with it. Okay, and then we're going to put some pork mince on the top. Just like so. And then we're going to season. Egg wash. I'm going to go around the edge with the egg wash. I'm going to fold it over, stick it together. Make a pretty crust if you want. Pop it onto the baking sheet. You need these 2 slits because 10 minutes before the end of cooking, you're going to put a little bit of butter in there and then put it back in. Okay, so I will continue and I'll come back to you when they're all filled. So just giving them an egg wash glaze. That's the first tray done, ready to go into the oven. Hi, welcome back again. These have been out the oven about 5 minutes, smell gorgeous, look really good, and I can't wait. I'm going to try it. I'm going to cut into it now. Nice crisp pastry. Pork in the middle. Oh, my mouth's watering. That's so good. Join us again for another Butterfly Cottage. Oh, so good. Don't forget to like, share, tell all your friends about us, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye.